Hello and welcome back. I am Prerna from the Urban Platter studio, and today I am very excited to show you my favorite barfi recipe. We are going to make almond barfi using Urban Platter's newly launched Californian almonds. California is one of the largest producers of almonds because of the high quality produce, and it is packed with unsaturated fats and antioxidants. This is a very easy recipe and you are going to love it, so let's get started. Our almond barfi mixture is ready and I have set it in the mold. You are going to let it cool down for around 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll slice it into pieces. And finally, our almond barfi is ready and it looks delicious. Now earlier I used to buy it from the store, but ever since I found out how easy it is to make at home, there has been no looking back. The texture of the barfi is soft and you're going to love this recipe because it includes very simple ingredients and you can make it quickly in 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you like this recipe, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with another recipe soon. Until then, this is Prerna signing off from the Urban Platter studio.